By the way, is your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely opening your controller and replacing the joystick. Start by removing the screws located on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws to take out, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the controller casing. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the casing open, you will see the internal components of the controller. Take a moment to inspect the area around the joystick for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is crucial for a successful repair. If you notice any dirt, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. Next, locate the joystick module. It is typically secured with a few screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the joystick module from its housing. If it feels stuck, double check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Now, take your new joystick and align it with the housing. Before securing it, remember that if this seems too tricky, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your controller repaired without any hassle. Once the new joystick is in place, replace the screws to secure it. Ensure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the module. After securing the joystick, it's time to reassemble the controller. Carefully align the casing and press it back together, ensuring all clips are engaged. Replace the screws on the back to secure the casing. Before testing your controller, it's a good idea to clean the exterior with a soft cloth. This will not only make it look new, but also ensure that no dust gets inside during the reassembly. Now, connect your controller to the C5 and test the new joystick. Make sure it responds correctly and that there are no issues with drift. If you encounter any problems, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. In summary, replacing the joystick on your C5 controller is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. If at any point you feel uncertain, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you get back to gaming as soon as possible. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.